Chapter 12, Sloka 13. Advesta sarvabhutanam. Advesta sarvabhutanam. Advesta sarvabhutanam. Maitrak karuna eva cha. Maitrak karuna eva cha. Maitrak karuna eva cha. Advesta sarvabhutanam. Maitrak karuna eva cha. अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च 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 निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखक्षमी 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 निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः 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 समदुःखसुखक्षमी अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखक्षमी.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.